Have you seen the viral TikTok dance that repeats, not the thermometer? This video is by far the most popular dance on my TikTok. Watch this video and I will teach you how to do that dance. For the best dance tutorials, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified for every new video that I post Mondays and Wednesdays. Thousands of my followers have used my tutorials to learn the most viral dances on TikTok, and now it is your turn, so let's do this. All right, so you are going to start with your right leg out. First move is called a kick ball change. So your leg's gonna go out and you go kick, ball, change. Left leg goes kick, ball, change. From here, you're gonna do what's called happy feet. My toes kind of turn into prep, and then I'm gonna go boom, then you bring it in, and then you go out. Cool? And then my hands kind of move up like this. Cool? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. And out, 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 out. There are 4 of those, by the way. I did not mention that. For an easier version, keep your hands here. Once you hit your feet, then you can move your arms up. Cool? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Out, 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 out. From here, you're gonna jump out. Your arms are here. Left leg goes forward. Boom. Then you do 4 ticks. Tick, 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 tick. Then we're gonna jump this way. Boom, ha. And then this way. Boom, ha. Okay? And then final move, your toes are gonna go out. Heels go out. Toes. And then toes, heel, toe. And as you do that, your hands go like this. From the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Boom, 2, 3, 4, and da, 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 da. Then from here, this leg goes bend, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. Okay, and that is the end of the dance. Woo, you did it. Okay, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Happy feet. 2, 3, 4, and you go boom. And there are 3 pull-ins. Okay, so you go tick, tick, tick. Then we go this way, boom, ha, and you kind of slide it all in. Then we go this way, boom, boom. Then you go toe, heel, toe, toe. If you want to spin it the same direction the whole time, you can, but I reverse it, so I go forward with rolling. Then as my legs come in, I go backwards. Okay, and then immediately this leg goes boom, ha, boom, ha. Let's go full speed. So 5, 6, right leg. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Happy feet, do, da, 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 boom, ha. Okay, clarification. When we're doing this, my hands just chill. You can like rock back and forth. You can add your own move. That is the beauty of these viral TikTok dances, is you can kind of add your own twist to it. And last one, full speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Boom, 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 boom. Tick, 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 tick. Da 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 da. Boom, ha, boom, ha. You finished learning the dance, and I am super excited for you. The next step is now in the description. You're gonna click the link to go to my TikTok, and then that will take you to the video so you can do it along with me with music. So now that you know the thermometer dance, the real question is, do you know how to film it to succeed on TikTok? I have put together a guide just for you on how to film your TikTok videos to make sure you stand out. You can download the guide in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos on the most viral dances on TikTok. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. It means the world to me, and thank you so much for watching.